Everybody and welcome to my Facebook page. 2016 is not started yet, but I have some great and good resolution for you guys. From now I'm gonna select some question and I'm gonna answer to it. So we're gonna start with a good one from Hotman Ilomari, who said, first, thanks for the answer, crack and a little pain on my patella. I don't feel any pain when I do squat, it bothers me only when I sit and make my knees on movement of squat on normal days when I don't work out. I did went to a lot of doctors and make some analysis and radiography, but all of the doctors told me different answer. Some that said I have inflammation, some said I had nothing, and I don't know what to do really. So the first thing is I'm gonna give my opinion as a bodybuilder. So I am not a doctor and it's not a medical advice, it's just my opinion. So I had exactly the same problem last year, and probably I'm gonna have it this year again. I noticed that every time I was training legs, I was fine. Either I was doing the leg with squat leg press or leg extension, or doing cardio. As long as I was bringing blood to my legs and it was full of blood and pumped, I was fine. The minute the blood was gone or it was beginning to coming cold, I was in trouble. So what you want to make sure is to keep always this zone warm, okay? And I don't think it's an inflammation. In my case, it was not an inflammation because my knee was not swollen. And also I asked this question to my osteopath, and he told me it comes from the hips. So how you can correct it? You can just use a foam roller and massage it, and it should be better. It can come also balance from between right leg and left leg. That's what we're talking about, hips here. And it can come also between a difference between the quad and the hamstring. Maybe the hamstring is not strong enough compared to your quads, and or maybe the last thing, it can come from the quads. Maybe in the quads, some part of the quad are stronger than the other. So you want to make sure that everything is in balance. Other than that, you want to make sure also that you warm gently before you train. You do your bike. You keep always clothes on when you train, and you stretch before you work out, and you stretch even more after you work out. And yeah, keep it warm, because me, some advice I get from massotherapist that told me to put ice on it. Bad answer, because the last thing I need is to put ice on it. What I need is just blood, okay? So you can just walk, or yeah, just walk maybe, and make sure you bring blood, do some nice leg extension, bring blood there, you should feel better like this. So okay, so that was the first one. Please like the video, share the video, like my page, share the page too. Tell to your friend. The more you be involved, the more I will be involved, okay? So thanks for watching. Peace.